Hello, good morning, friends. Many of my friends ask us what is the common syllabus between PGTRB and then Polytechnic TRB. For them, I just make the comparison of these two syllabus and I highlighted what are the commonalities of there in these two syllabus. Here for PGTRB, postgraduate assistant syllabus. It is first one starts with modern literature. Here the year is 1400 to 1600. The first one is poetry, detailed study. The first one is Chaucer, Prologue to Canterbury Tales, and second topic is Spenser, Fairy Queen, Book 1. And then for non-detailed study, Spenser, Epithalamion and then Prothalamion, White and Surrey selections in Peacock Verse, Volume 1, and then Ballads, Peacock Verse, Volume 2. For Bacon essays of truth, of adversity, of studies, revenge, ambition, of friendship, and Sydney's Apology for Poetry, and then for non-detailed study the Bible Book of Job, and then for a drama 15 topic is Marlowe's Dr. Faustus, and 16th one is non-detailed study Kids the Spanish Tragedy, Ben Jonson's Alchemist. These are all the topics will be covered there for unit 1 there in PGTRB syllabus, and we go for Polytechnic syllabus now. Here the first unit comes from Chaucer to Shakespeare. The first one they start with Geoffrey Chaucer. Here the topic is the Book of Duchess. And then the second topic is Edmund Spenser, Epithalamy, and the same topic which I already saw there in PGTRB, the same syllabus is here for Polytechnic 2. And then Shakespeare, Sonnet, 88, 15, 24, 30, 37, 40, 46, 76, 82, 91, 112, 116, 126, 140, 144, 147, 154. So overall 17 sonnets is there for Shakespeare. And then Francis Bacon, of Oxford, of nobility, of travel, of friendship, of love. And then Ben Jonson's Walpole or the Fox, and Christopher Marlowe's Dr. Faustus is also there for our PGTRB. And then Sir Thomas More's Utopia, John Webster's The White Devil, William Langland's The Piers the Plowman, and Shakespeare's The Comedy of Errors, Midnight's Dream, Hamlet. Hamlet is both there for our PGTRB and then Polytechnic exam, and Henry VIII, Love's Labour's Lost. Here both these topics are covered there for our first unit and then our Polytechnic and then this PGTRB. And then we go for the second topic, Marlowe, that is modern literature. It is of 1600 to 1798. Here the major topic for poetry is Donne's Canonization, The Ecstasy, Milton Paradise Lost, Book 9, and then Pope's Rape of the Lock. And then for non-detailed studies, Milton, Samson Agnetus, Gray, Collins, Blake, Peacock, Volume, there is English verse, Volume 3, and then Herbert, Affliction, The Pulley, and then Marvel's To His Coy Mistress, Johnson's Life of Milton, Bunyan's The Pilgrim Progress, and Fielding's Time Jones, and Dryden's All for Love, and Sheridan's The School for Scandal, and for non-detailed Congreve, The Way of the World, and Goldsmith, She Stoops to Conquer. Here we have 32 topics, and then we go for Polytechnic topic now. Here the unit 2 covers Jacobean to Augustan age, John Milton's Paradise Regained. Here in Polytechnic there is TRB they give Paradise, there is Paradise Lost, but here in Polytechnic they give Paradise Regained. And George Dryden's All for Love, it will be both topics it's cover, All for Love, Dryden's All for Love, and Alexander Pope Rape of the Lock could be common topic for both PGTRB and Polytechnic. Andrew Marvell's Garden, Thomas Gray, Elegy Written in a Country Churchyard, and then Jonathan Swift's A Tale of a Tub, Addison and Steele, The Spectators and the Coverley Papers, essays from 1 to 10 Macmillan edition, and Oliver Goldsmith, The Deserted Village, Henry Fielding's Joseph Andrews, and Samuel Daniel's Saint Christ Victoric Triumph, and then Sir Thomas Browne, The Garden of Cyrus, William Blake, Songs of Experience, Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe, Jonathan Swift, Gulliver's Travels, and Henry Vaughan's Regeneration. Here for second unit, these are all topics we have to cover, and we have to go for the third unit. Therefore, PGTRB. Here, modern literature, that is, it starts from 1798 to 1832. Here, detailed study topics are Wordsworth, Immortality Ode, Tinton Abbey, Coleridge Ode to Dejection, Kubla Khan, and Keats' Ode on a Grecian Nun, Ode to Autumn, Shelley's We already saw up to what's the wind, twist wind. And here the next one is non-detailed study, Wordsworth Prelude, Book 1, Shelley Adonis, and then for non-detailed study, Lamb's Essays of Elia and Christ Hospital, and then the South Key House, Dream Children, New Year's Eve, Hazlitt's My First Acquaintance with Poets, and the non-detailed study, Shelley's A Defense of Poetry, Wordsworth Preface to the Lyrical Ballads in 1850, and Jane Austen, Emma, Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights. These are all the topics will be covered there for third unit. And then for Polytechnic, the topics are Romantic Period, William Wordsworth, The Daffodils, The Solitary Reaper, and then Samuel Taylor Coleridge, Lyrical Ballads. And the next one, Biographia Literaria, and then S.P. Shelley's Ode to the West Wind, John Keats' Ode to Autumn. This Ode to West Wind and Ode to Autumn is the common topic for both PGTRB and Polytechnic. And next one, Charles Lamb's The Essays of Elia. Here Oxford in the Vacation, New Year's Eve, Dream Children, A Reverie, and The Price of Chimney Sweeper, My Relations. These are all the topics would be there for Charles Lamb's essays. And next one, Jane Austen's Emma. It is a common topic for both PGTRB and then Polytechnic. And then Walter Scott's The Talisman, William Hasley Speakers of Shakespeare's Plays, Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights. Here Wuthering Heights is also the common topic for both PGTRB and then Polytechnic. And then we come for fourth unit for PGTRB. Modern literature starts from 1832 to the present day. Here the major detailed poems are Arnold's Dover Beach, The Scholar Gypsy, Browning's Andrea del Sarto, and then Tennyson's Motti the Arthur, W.B. Yeats' Byzantium, Eliot's The Wasteland, and non-detailed study Hopkins' The Wreck of the Deutschland. The selections from Owen, W.H. Auden, Stephen Spender in the Faber book of Modern Verse. And then for prose, detailed study, Carlyle's The Hero as a Man of Letters from On Events and Hero Worship. I already put detailed video of this in our YouTube, which if you want, please go and check. And next one, Matthew Arnold, The Study of Poetry, and T.S. Eliot's The Tradition and Individual Talent. And for non-text study, Dickens' Great Expectations, George Eliot's Middlemarch, Hardy's Jude the Obscure, and then Virginia Woolf's To the Lighthouse, Graham Greene's The Power and the Glory. It is there for our Unit 4. And while we coming for Victorian Age, the topics are Tennyson's The Princess, Medley, Robert, and this Medley. Here the Princess, the Medley is the Tennyson's, and Robert Browning's Men and Women. Andrea del Sarto, two topics are there, Matthew Arnold, Rugby Chapel and Dover Beach. And then here these R.G. that is D.G. Rossetti's The Blessed Damsel, and then George Ellis Romola, and W.B. Thackeray's Vanity Fair, and then R.L. Stevens' Treasure Island, then John Ruskin's Sesame and Lilies, and then Charles Dickens' A Tale of Two Cities. These are all topics will be covered there for fourth unit. And then we come for our fifth unit. Here the topic may look less, but we have to cover the whole syllabus of our Shakespeare. Here the detailed study is Macbeth, and then Tempest is the detailed study. And for non-detailed study, Henry IV Part 1, Measure for Measure, Antony and Cleopatra. And then the general knowledge of other plays, poems, sonnets of Shakespeare is expected of the candidate. So they have to read all 156 sonnets there from Shakespeare. And while we are going for unit 5 there for modern and contemporary periods, here we are seeing W.B. Yeats Sailing to Byzantium, Thomas Hardy's The Woodlanders, Virginia Woolf's Mr. Bennet and Mrs. Brown, A.L. Huxley's Time Must Have a Stop, E.M. Foster's Where Angels Trade to Trade, T.S. Eliot's Murder in Cathedral, C.P. Shaw's Couriers of Power, G.B. Shaw's The Devil's Dispute, Ezra Pound The Pisan Cantos, Oscar Wilde's The Importance of Being Earnest. So these are all topics will be coming there for Unit 5. After Unit 5 I discussed, and in the next video I just discussed from 6th to 10th unit what all topics will be common there for both. So here friends, we saw most of the authors will be common for both Polytechnic and then PGTRB, but the syllabus is a little bit different. What is the positive thing we have to take from our syllabus is we have to take many portions there from our net. So once we prepare the whole